Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake with no crust. This delightful dessert is surprisingly simple to prepare and offers a rich, creamy texture without the traditional base. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring your cream cheese is at room temperature. This crucial step guarantees a smooth, lump-free batter, which is key to a perfect cheesecake. We will use basic kitchen tools for this recipe. Now, let's create that wonderfully smooth batter. Begin by beating your softened cream cheese until it's light and airy, about 2 minutes. Gradually add granulated sugar, mixing until it's fully combined and smooth. Next, incorporate the eggs one by one, mixing just until each is blended. Overmixing at this stage can introduce too much air. Finally, stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt. It's time to bake our delicious creation. Pour the smooth batter into a prepared 9-inch springform pan. Bake it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes. The cheesecake is ready when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. Let it cool completely on a wire rack, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, for the best texture. After chilling, your crustless cheesecake is ready to be enjoyed. For easy removal, run a thin knife around the edge of the pan before releasing the springform ring. You can garnish your cheesecake with fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a simple dusting of powdered sugar. Slice into generous portions and savor the incredibly rich, smooth, and creamy texture of this elegant dessert. It's a perfect treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.